Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a paper pad haul and flip through. I have with me the brand spanking new collection of Alice in Teal. I have the 8x8 and the 12x12 paper pads. Both paper pads are available at craftstash.us, and I'm going to leave you with the links to those two paper pads in the description area below. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so in front of me I have both the 8x8 and the 12x12 paper pad collections for Alice in Teal, and they are pretty much exactly the same. The only difference is going to be that the 8x8 reads, I was reading over this, it says it has over 50 images, and the 12x12 is going to have over 100. So let me go ahead and show you the 8x8 paper pad because it's a lot easier for me to manage right here on camera. That way you can see, and look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. I just love the colors. And so here is the other design. Look at that. That is so absolutely wonderful. And oh my gosh, look at this. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Sorry about that. There we go. And these are foiled. Yes. And they are one-sided sheet. And the weight of the paper says 250 GSM. So let me put this up to my microphone. Hopefully you'll be able to hear that. Whoops. It's not flimsy paper. It is excellent quality cardstock paper, and it's really absolutely awesome. So we have, let me make sure that I'm not showing you. Okay, so we have these right here. Look at that. Look at that. It's got kind of like a cream, the hearts are a cream vintage type of color. So we have 1, 2, and look over here. So, oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my goodness, I love this. Look at that. That is beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is absolutely wonderful. I love pieces like this, designs like this. It reminds me of old world wallpaper. Oh my gosh, and it's also available in the teal. I love these colors. They just pop. I love that. I love the intensity of these colors. Oh, and look at this Harlequin design. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so that's this paper pad. Let me just flip through this one real quick. And I'm sorry it's going to be to the side, but oh my gosh, look at this. And I'm so sorry about this, guys, because when I was last night when I was going through my packages and everything, I kind of shoved this collection under my desk, and I didn't realize that it was too tight of a spot. And so when I was trying to push it in there so my cats wouldn't get to it, I damaged this part right here, but the paper is okay. The paper was saved. So yeah, sorry about the packaging. And let me just do this. Look at that. That is absolutely scrumptious. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me hang on a second. I want to look at this other one to see what the, okay. So I see. Okay, let me just kind of do a side-by-side comparison, almost. So yeah, we get more here. Okay, see this design right here? This design is absent from the 8x8. Okay, and this one, see, you get this I love this. You get this additional design, and let me see what else. Okay, you get this one. Sorry, let me just, this one, you get this one in the 12x12, but you don't get it in the 8x8. You get this one. Oh, look at this beautiful hat. Oh, you get the keys here too. That's good. The clock. And, okay, you get that. These foiled harlequin or diamond shape in the heart. And the clover. Yeah, oh gosh. Yeah, let me put this to the side. I love this. I love this, love this, love this. Oh, my word. Okay. Let me just, I don't want to tear this off. Alrighty, here we go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Love, love, love. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yeah. If you're loving this paper pad just as much as I am, my suggestion to you is to get both the 12x12 and the 8x8. And I've already been to the website and everything, and I tell you the prices for these are extremely reasonable. Okay, so yeah, might as well get you both. And of course, we've already seen this one in the 8x8. And oh my goodness. Okay, here's a harlequin in the beige. How pretty. And oh, look at this design. It's script in this beautiful teal background, dark teal. And over here we have the hearts. How pretty is that? Look, look, look. Oh my gosh, I love this. Love this. This will make a beautiful mini album. And here's a different design that you don't get in the 8x8. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And yeah, that is all. That is it. So thank you so very much for watching my videos. And yeah, in the filming of my intro, I'm not going to tell you how many takes it took, but I had some fun with it. So if you want to stick around and check out my bloopers and blunders and and whatnot, go ahead and check out the ending of this video. And thank you so very much for watching. And please remember, I do have affiliate links in the description area of this video, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. At Decorate Your Life Scrapbooking and Card Making, I focus on paper crafting videos, tutorials, project shares, and inspiration. And also visit me at my blog, because I do hold monthly giveaway challenges. And yeah, let's get to know one another. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you once again real soon. Bye. I didn't record the last one. Okay, I think I'm recording. You inhale confidence, exhale doubt. Okay, let the silliness go off. Microphone is on. What am I going to say? Okay. Glasses or no glasses? Edward Scissorhand. Okay. Here. Okay, Alexa. Alexa, be quiet, please. Okay. Hi! Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a paper pad haul and flip through. I have with me the brand spanking new collection of Alice in Teal. I have the 8x8 and 12x12 paper pads. Both paper pads are available at craftstash.us, and I'm going to leave you with the links to those two paper pads in the description area below. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm done. Where do I stop it? I think right there.